Assalamu alaikum, 9th class. Today's our topic is energy and environment. In this topic we have two or three definitions just, and you have to read the topic carefully. Our first definition is pollution. Pollution. What is pollution? The definition is pollution is the change in the quality of environment pollution is the change in the quality of environment that can be harmful and unpleasant for living things. स्टूडेंट्स, पोल्यूशन एक ऐसा चेंज है एनवायरनमेंट की क्वालिटी में जो कि लिविंग थिंग्स के लिए हार्मफुल होता है और अनप्लेजेंट होता है, प्लेजेंट नहीं होता. नेक्स्ट वी हैव अनदर डेफिनेशन. व्हाट इज थर्मल पोल्यूशन? It is clear from their name. Thermal pollution, therm mean heat, so this is the pollution of heat. Thermal pollution is the temperature rise in the environment. Temperature rise in the environment that disturb the life is called thermal pollution. This is the definition of thermal pollution. Next we have causes. Causes of thermal pollution is that thermal pollution upset the balance of life. थर्मल पोल्यूशन अपसेट द बैलेंस ऑफ लाइफ, ये हमारी लाइफ के बैलेंस को अपसेट कर देती है, चेंज कर देती है एंड endanger our survival. थर्मल पोल्यूशन अपसेट द बैलेंस ऑफ लाइफ, ये हमारे लाइफ के बैलेंस को अपसेट कर देती है, ख़राब कर देती है एंड इंडेंजर आवर सर्वाइवल, और हमारे बचने के चांसेस को ख़तरे में डाल देती है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव अ डेफिनेशन ऑफ एयर पोल्यूटेंट्स. Air pollutants are unwanted and harmful natural process. Air pollutants are unwanted and harmful natural processes such as volcanic eruption, forest fires, etc. So students, now this topic is completed. Next we have another topics. We have flow diagram of energy converter. Flow diagram of energy converter. In this topic we have flow diagram of all the energy converters. It convert the electrical energy in different forms of energy. Students, our first energy converter is electrical lamp. Then we have to do its flow diagram. Electrical lamp have electrical energy as input. So electrical lamp has electrical energy as input, and it gives us light energy as output and heat energy as output. This is the flow diagram of electrical lamp as energy converter. Students, next we have energy saver lamp. Energy saver lamp has electrical energy as input, just like electrical lamp. It converts the electrical energy into light energy only. There is no heat energy. This is flow diagram of energy saver lamp. Next we have flow diagram of vehicle. Vehicle moving with constant speed on level road. Vehicle has a fuel in a car is a source of chemical energy. So chemical energy is input. Chemical energy is input. So this chemical energy, when the car starts, the fuel burn, then there is produced a motion. This motion is called kinetic energy, because the energy due to motion is called kinetic energy. It produces kinetic energy, and also it produces a sound energy. There is a sound produced in its from its engine. Sound energy. And when sound produced and the motion produced, then the car exterior becomes hot up. So there is also produce a heat energy. The chemical energy gives us heat energy, kinetic energy, and sound energy. Heat energy becomes output, sound energy becomes output, but the kinetic energy moves the car and it reach its destination, and this destination, after reaching its destination, work is done. This work done is called output, our final output. Next students, we have a flow diagram of power station. In power station there is energy is stored. So the stored energy is called potential energy. So power station has potential energy as input. This stored potential energy when the powerhouse is started, then there is produced a motion. So potential energy changes into kinetic energy, because the energy due to motion is called kinetic energy. But also this potential energy produce sound energy and heat energy. heat energy and sound energy. When the power station, the engine still working, then this kinetic energy also produce sound energy and heat energy. This kinetic energy is used for work done. Then the work is done. Then still sound energy and heat energy is producing. This work done produce the electrical energy as output. Electrical energy as output. When the electrical energy produces, then still there is a sound energy and heat energy. Sound energy and heat energy. So this is the complete flow diagram of power station that convert the potential energy into electrical energy. Students, यहाँ पे हमारे topics complete. Today's our diary is page number 134, 135 done. Thank you, students.